Our next book is called Hello Sun. So we're going to learn some clothes signs and some outside signs, some weather signs. Okay, hello sun. Oh, sorry. Only I can see the pictures apparently. Cheerful and light. There. These pants and shirt will be just right. Okay, so for pants, sorry, you can't really see my pants. You can pull up your pants, or you can show one leg at a time, okay? So these pants and shirt will be just right. Okay, so now she says, now I'm dressed and ready to go. Now I'm dressed and ready to go. Ooh. I open the door, but then, uh-oh. See how it's a Y hand and it comes down? Uh-oh. There's the page. Oh, no. Hello, clouds. Hello, clouds. You just kind of trace your clouds. Fluffy and gray. If you know the colors, you can put that in. A sweater. Put your sweater on over your head is better to wear this day. I'll get a little closer for you, sorry. Okay, so now we go back to, sorry, show ya. Now I'm dressed and ready to go. I open the door, but uh-oh. Let's see, you could also use this, oh no, same thing. Ooh, hello, wind. Hello, wind. Chilly and snappy. Chilly and snappy. A scarf and jacket. So you just put your jacket on, sorry. Will make me happy. It looks very windy, doesn't it? Okay, now I'm dressed and ready to go. I opened the door, but uh-oh. Let's see. Hello, rain. You can do that with two hands. Rain. Drippy and wet. My rain coat and boots will help, I bet. I bet they will too. Now I'm dressed and ready to go. I opened the door, but then, uh-oh. Let's see. Oh. Hello, snow. Twinkle your fingers, snow. White as kittens. There it is, sorry. I think I'll need my coat and my mittens. Put your mittens on. Now I'm dressed and ready, and so it's a little different. I open the door and off I go. She finally got out there. Okay, this book is so cute. It's time to sing and dance and jump and build a snowman round and plump. My day is done, and yet I see one last friend still waits for me. Okay, so there they are finishing up their snowman. Oh, there's the last. Hello, moon. Moon. You can go up high. I just can't fit it into my screen. Jolly and bright. You light my way on this dark night. And tell me that it's time to go. So, what's she gonna do? I close my door to moon and snow and rain and wind. There she is stripping. And clouds and sun. Thankful for this day of fun. And now my pajamas, my bedclothes, are just right. I climb into bed and say good night. Oh, that one is so cute. It's called Hello Sun, and it's by Dale and Dodds.